Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I have got a little haul for you from SheModern. It is 6 bottles of their galaxy colors. I have got white, gold, red, green, purple, and blue. So I've got these 6 amazing colors. I am going to swatch them out for you on black stilettos, swatch sticks. These would look really beautiful on here. And also, SheModern has got new grip gel and glue gel out. There is a brand new formula. It's not just new labels and new bottles, which I do love the new labels and bottles. The glitter hollow. I think that looks too cute and too cool. It's cute. Cute. So, we're going to do those. We are going to be using the glue gel, which is for pigments and glitter. Swatch this on your stick. And you don't need a lot. It'll cover the whole nail. Cure these for 30 seconds. Pop this in the lamp. So remember, these are new formula, new labels, new bottles. SheModern has a few different things that are brand new that you should jump over and check them out. SheModern.com. She_modern on Instagram. And on Instagram, I am just.nailedit. I used to be nailed at 67, but I wanted something closer to my YouTube name. So, and Just Nailed It was taken on there by somebody who's not been on in 4 years. 4 years. But I'll make do with this name. The Just.Nailed It. I'll make do. So we're going to take the gold first. It is the galaxy color. I think this is going to be beautiful. Let me get my palette so in case I have any extra overflow. And with the SheModern pigments, you don't need a whole lot. Take them, burnish them in. Whoops. Get you some full coverage nails. And this is the gold. Burnish it in, rub it in that nail real good. I'm going to top coat it. Oh, I forgot to get my top coat out. There we go. Give us some top coat going. This should be real good for Christmas time, for a background, or New Year's. So that's coming up real soon. There's the gold. Gonna pop that. Ooh. We're gonna pop that anyway. We got a bunch of swatch sticks in there. Alrighty, once again, that was the gold. We are going to move on to the white. Galaxy colors. Sorry, I got the sniffles. I'm kind of, I don't know if I'm getting sick. I don't know. I don't know if it's just my allergies. This is the white. Whoops. Burnish this baby in real well. That'd be great for a background as well. Top coat. So yeah, she's got the Galaxy collection is new. And, oh my goodness, I'm drawing a brain fart. Here's the gold top coated. Beautiful. So we just put the white into the lamp. Sorry for sticking my hand in front of the camera. I'm trying to think what color I want to do next. I think I'll do purple next. This ought to be really beautiful. These stiletto swatch sticks are really curved, so watch how you put your pigment down or you're not going to have enough, and you don't need a lot. Oh, that's beautiful. That is just gorgeous. I hope that's coming through on the camera. This is the purple. Beautiful. I love when SheModern comes out with new products like this. This is the white top coated, which is super light. It's like translucent almost. Oh, I don't know if my pink Sharpie will write on these. Let me see. Not where you can see them, but whatever, we'll work with it. We have purple in the lamp. Purple. Next we are going to do red. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the red. These will be great for some backgrounds or some foil art. Oh yeah. I think they'll be really beautiful. I like how you top coat them and then the hints of the color just comes out. I think it's just gorgeous. So this is the red. Hope you can see this because this is beautiful. They all are. This is the purple. I'm still writing at them even though we can't really see them. Can't really see. I'm using a pink Sharpie on a black stiletto, but whatever. Whatever. Okay, we got green and blue left. Whoops. This is the green. I can hold on to it. These also have the beautiful new labels. I do love these new the new colors. I think they're just gorgeous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, put way too much out for this. Way too much out. Oh, look at that. Can you see how that green just really comes through? That is just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful for Christmas. Oh yeah. This is so pretty. So pretty. We got the red here. Here's the red top coated. fresh out of the lamp. We've got the blue left. Whoops, I almost top coated it. I'm hoping this blue is just breathtaking. I really am. I know somebody whose blue is favorite color. This would make a great manicure. Do your tip real well, your sides. Burnish that puppy in. Blue. Okay, we're going to top coat. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Blue Galaxy. That green is just really popping. Move the palette out of our way. Some of our mess out. So once again, these are SheModern Galaxy colors. I don't know how well it's going to come across on the screen. I have got gold, white, purple, green, red, and blue. Blue, blue, blue. Got 11 minutes left on the lamp. These are the colors I have. There are still more, but go check them out. They are 4 colors for $27 US. They are just beautiful. I would love to get my hands on all of them. Also, she's got, where did I put them? Oh my goodness. My desk is only so big. She's got new colors out for the glow in the dark. I got the pink, oh here, right in front of my noodle. See, right here. She has got a blue, 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 blue glow in the dark and a pink glow in the dark. So these are going to be beautiful. She's got, I put my stuff away. I have more stuff to haul for you from SheModern. I have like 32 colors. Some of them are sheer pigments. Here is the blue top coated. Look how beautiful that is. And I know who's going to love this. This green is really outstanding. I hope you can see them all. We have got gold, white, purple, red, green, and blue. Blue, blue, blue. All top coated for you. A little crazy there. So I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up when you come in, please, for my video. Please start to share my videos as well. I'm starting to, in 2020, to really be on about watch time, full views, because this is going to be the year I hit my monetization mark. And I'm really hoping to go far. I really am. That is my goal. I would like to, I'm at like 698 for subscribers right now. And this is the end of November, partially, 3rd weekend. And I would really like to meet some new people, especially internationals. I don't seem to go well there. So if you know people, if you are from international waters, I'm in the States, I would appreciate some shares. I would appreciate if you send me some people. I do sub back. I do show my support. So yeah. Don't forget, SheModern has, my brain's all over the place, I'm sorry, the new glue gel and grip gel. Not just new bottles and labels, but it is a new formula as well. So check those out. Check out the new sheer line. It's new. It's just revamped. There's a lot of things. Check out the pigment glitter department. It's just new. It's all I can tell you. It's been revamped. She's done a beautiful job. Beautiful, beautiful job. So, well, we have come to the end of my video this morning. And I'm going to let you go and continue about your day, as I'm going to do so as well. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And give me a like, a share. Let me see. Like, share, comment, subscribe. There we go. You have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.